When I was young, me and my mama had beef, 17 years old.
Mom, can I go out tonight?
Who are you going with?
My friends.
Where?
My friend's house.
When will you be home?
10:30?
Make it 9:59.
10:15.
No, 9:59.
10:15.
Okay, now it's 9:30.
Mom.
Seriously,
Fine.
Ladies, I can't hear the game. Can you just... someone else?
9:59, and we're talking later, Dave.
Are you really wearing that?
Don't worry.
Dave, turn off the TV. We need to talk.
You sure?
About what just happened?
Okay, what's up?
That was not okay. You need to support me. You're either with me or against me.
Okay, but don't you think it's...
No. I'm just being protective. I'm being her mom.
She's a high schooler. 10 o'clock is insane.
No, it's not. It's perfectly fine. She's literally, if she stays out to 11, she's gonna get drunk. She's gonna get pregnant. She's literally gonna be on the streets. She's gonna die.
Okay, I can't deal with this.
That's it. You're on the couch tonight. I am so over.
But I gotta go. It's 9:30.
Okay, whatever.
Stop! Do you know what time it is?
10 o'clock.
Oh, girl.
I'm only
it is
thinking, like-
10:01.
I'm
You are
sorry.
grounded for 2 weeks. Get in your freaking room and go.
1 minute late. You need to learn how to
Melissa,
chill.
can you believe what Elijah just...
That looks so fun.
Girl, where are you at? This party's lit.
It's gonna be such a fat L for your social life. You better get here quick.
Seriously.
Ugh, my mom just grounded me, but I'm trying to leave.
Oh my gosh, we'll come pick you up then.
Be there in 5.
Okay, bye.
Oh, she's home. I knew she was an angel.
It's okay, just hurry. Hurry, I won't tell.
If you wanted to, these expensive, this is bad bottoms, this is bad.